My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Bmw X2. This vehicle has done just over 48,000 miles. And it has an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our notifications, my vehicle, connected drive, navigation, media and radio, and communication. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.